The Philippine Air Force team started way back in the 60s because even during that time we have teams from the armed forces. The Philippine Constabulary, Philippine Army, Philippine Navy, and the Philippine Air Force. But the glory years actually were during the 80s. So tuloy-tuloy yun, we had good players, we had good products. And then during the 90s, then came this Yanti Bersales, at the Tonog brothers, Jess, Saigi, and Raymond Tonog. And we just continued it until sa ngayon nga, in the year 2000, we had 2 ASCAL players from the Philippines. But we have to consider that in the early years of the ASCALs, there were several, not only 2 players from the Air Force na ASCALs. As far as I can remember, there's no year na hindi kami nagcha-champion on the national level competitions.
UFL started 2003. Sa Pilipinas, yan yung one of the biggest league. So the Philippine Air Force joined the UFL 2010. There were 4 groups, may quarterfinals, may semifinals, and the Philippine Air Force became the first UFL champion. This was the latest trophy, 2011 UFL League. So league naman siya. Out of 8 teams, double round robin, yung sino pinakamataas na points, siya yung champion. So the Philippine Air Force became the 2011 UFL League champion. Well, siguro ang edge namin, yung battle cry namin dito sa Air Force, yung battle cry ng commanding general namin, si General Ravena, yung NSTEP.
Which is integrity, service, teamwork, excellence, and professionalism. And so somehow that influenced their way of playing, and the result is being champions, and that also gave pride to the Philippine Air Force.
Bali, 10 years na akong nasa serbisyo sa Philippine Air Force. Sa mga laro, siguro mga ilang beses ko lang naalala na talo kami. So, nung pumasok ako dito kasi para puro champion kami.
Siyempre nakita yung Air Force ngayon maliliit. Yung ibang club team ngayon ang siyempre sumasali, dumadami na yung Phil-Foreign at saka Lucky. Kaya duplikado kami na lumakas para makasabay sa kanila ng banggaan.
Sa ganitong level ng football dito sa Pilipinas, nagiging mataas na. Yung demand ng laro nagiging mataas na rin. Tapos nung lumalakas, so kami, mini-maintain lang namin yung pure-blooded Pinoy na player. Tsaka kaya yung gusto na naman ipakita is hindi na kailangan mag-recruit para lang makipag-compete. Yun yung gusto namin ipakita sa kanila. So sinasabi nila, malalaki sila. Pero sa bilis, sa pusong Pinoy talaga na ayaw magpatalo, yun yung wala sila. Tsaka yung giggle.
We are getting more and more players who wanted to join our football team. And as you see right now, we're having our football clinic. And there has been a resounding success. I mean, there are a lot of kids who'd like to join our football clinic. And that's good for football in our country.
Bago ka gumaling, talagang practice ka ng more practice para makuha mo yung gusto mong makuha.
Yung mga bata is nakikita mo na dahil nga sa football ngayon, tumataas na yung level, is gusto na rin nilang maglaro ng football para lang mapabilang sa ASCAL. Hindi lang sa ASCAL, siguro gusto rin nilang maging magaling na football player sa uli. So, yun, gusto ko lang sabihin sa kanila na maging seryoso lang sila sa kanilang ginagawa, maging seryoso lang sa pagtitraining, at ayun, sumunod lang sa mga coaches kasi yung mga coach, sila yung nakakaalam kung ano yung mararating nila. Kailangan i-enjoy lang nila yung paglalaro ng football para.
Siguro gusto ko lang mangyari siguro sa team na to. Sana marami pang mga future ASCALs na manggagaling dito sa Air Force. Kasi sa ngayon, nakikita natin marami tayong mga Phil-Foreigner na players. Sana sa sunod madagdagan naman natin at saka manggagaling sa Air Force mismo.